Tumbleweed. Well, let me spit this some. You probably get some from this. Some. See, I'm elastic, I stretch, I don't break like condoms. I spread the word like it's viral and take it back from wherever I put it. Random. Fuck it. Abandon. It's a better word. At this rate, my plate get empty in a sec. Cause I'm hungry for that fire burning as my words flow out like hot saliva. Fuck it. Lava. It's a better word. I ain't got time for shit. Like a bird, I leave you where you stand. The part of the body you standing on ain't important. That depends on the mood I get into before I leave you there. Please don't dare. I dare the devil like Daredevil. I still spit that piano flow, aka cocaine flow, which gets you higher than the unemployment rate in Nigeria. Don't forget, I'm invisible. I run into you like bacteria. Fuck shit up and leave like I just found out at 6 a.m. Still in the pub. Fuck it. Club. It's a better word. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, I love you too. That's T and double zeros. Spread that word, that means more zeros in my bank account. Yes, Lord, my palms itching, I'm daily praying. I know this paper gonna come. Speaking of coming, bitch, don't sleep on me. It gets better like you about to get that orgasm. But I'm not that nice, I just put it out before you get it. Nah, fuck it. Truly, I'm a lady lover. My tongue in the middle, I'ma steer that up. Wipe her down as I dick her up. That's another story, fuck the storytelling. I'm a man of my word, like to God be the glory. What I spit is holy, amen. Cause I got this lyrical subliminal arsenal buried in my gut. No gut, no glory, more gut, more stories. I'm ill, not like I'm sick when I'm chill. You know I just popped the pill. I'm dangerous, not like Michael Jackson. I could actually murder the wind if it blows disrespectful. I'm a G, I say it like I'm in it, motherfucker. Sweet baby Jesus, I make this shit look easy. Howard, later things now.